Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz, this is my channel Toiletterian. I try to bring to your attention fragrances that are usually very good value for money. They smell good. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So today I have yes, this is brand Orientica. This is branch or a subsidiary of Al Haramain brand, which is by now many people know that is quite famous. Usually they are very good quality, high end, but you don't pay an arm and a leg, sorry. They usually what you pay and what you get, the ratio is amazing. They sent me two perfumes for review. Thank you very much, Orientica. And these two are the latest releases from them. They just came out a few weeks ago and I haven't seen anybody review them, so I'm happy to do the first impression, first review. These two fragrances, first of all, look at this beautiful like a bag, and we have the perfumes in here. So these are the two new releases. On their website it doesn't say they are targeted for ladies and men, but I'm thinking they are unisex. But when you look at the packaging it looks like it's the ladies one. It doesn't matter. If you like a smell, wear it. If you don't like a smell, don't wear it. This is why we say you are the one who decide what perfume is, you know, good for you or is not. So let's see. Anyway, so as you can see, very pretty packaging, top notch, high end. There is no, basically nothing there to say, oh, it doesn't look good or it looks cheap or anything like that. It looks very expensive. They both are retail for £80 on their website. I will leave in the description where you can find them. Right now you can't find them anywhere else, and they are the only people they're sending it these on website orientica.co.uk, but I will leave it in the description anyway. They are both 75 ml EDP. These are from the luxury brand lines, and that's why they are on the pricier side. They have a cheaper side of the perfumes, but these ones are the high-end ones. So one is called Arte Blessimo Exotic, Orientica Arte Blessimo Exotic, and this one is called Arte Blessimo Romantic by Orientica. So let's see. Let's go with this one first. So this one is Orientica Arte Blessimo Exotic, and look at that, it's just unbelievably pretty. The heavy box, attention to details, and the coloring and everything is beautiful. Alright, sorry about the noise. Look at that, it's just screams quality, and attention to detail is everywhere. It's just wow, I can smell it already. Alright, so, and it opens up like this, and look at the bottle, gorgeous. It's a very classic art deco bottle. It's glass, but it looks like some sort of porcelain, but it's not, it's glass. And this is how it sits in here. It's a velvet, again, attention to details everywhere. It's a hard plastic, but when you touch it, it's a very good feel to it. And the bottle is mamma mia, look at that, gorgeous bottle, very heavy, super heavy cap with a red like a gemstone effect on the top, and the gold everywhere, gold accents, especially on the body. There's like a gold sprinkle on it, beautiful. Alright, let's go with the sprayer. Fantastic spray, everything is top notch, very good, so far so good, amazing. Okay, So let me read you the notes and we take it from there. So this one is the exotic, isn't it? Okay. So the exotic one, on top we have bergamot, and then in the mid we have aromatic coconut and vanilla, and then in the base we have the vanilla, and then sandalwood, musk and amber. Wow, it sounds very tropical. Okay, here we go. First impression. Let's go. Yes, very tropical, as he says. He said dominated by coconut and the vanilla. It's got a little bit of citrus right now, but the main body is that vanilla plus coconut is very, very dominant, and it gives in a powdery feel. So this is quite powdery, it's quite sweet, and also on the underlying sweetness plus underlying floral. So to my nose, for my taste, for my skin, this is definitely leans towards feminine. But again, if you like this kind of fragrances, it doesn't mean anything. So coconut, yes. Big coconut is basically, to me, is right now it smells like a coconut ice cream. Okay, so imagine coconut ice cream, and this is it. Very cooling effect. In the same time, it's quite warm and inviting. It's very sexy. It's very sensual. So it's quite very sensual and ladylike. Okay. Maybe not young ladies, a little bit on the mature side, maybe 25 and up to be on the safe side, because it's very exotic smelling. Okay, so yes, bergamot in the beginning, a little bit of citrus, coconut and vanilla are the biggest player here. Yes, sandalwood, musk and amber. Yes, it's in the background. It's quite woody, but very smooth woody. So that sandalwood is there. And also this musk is feeling everything, is lifting everything up as well. Plus the amber giving it a little bit of warmth. So overall, goodness me, what a smell. Very sexy, very sensual, very ladylike, very feminine. Okay, so if you like the smell of coconut ice cream, this is an amazing one. Very good quality. It doesn't smell of any syntheticness. Very natural feel to it. But you need to like this kind of fragrances if you are into coconut, vanilla. This is a beauty. Okay guys, so because of this first impression, I don't want to spend too much time. Let me go to the next one, which is this one is Arte Blessimo Romantic. So this one is a romantic one. Is a pink effect everywhere. It's like a cotton candy effect. This one is a cotton candy as well, isn't it? Okay, so let me put this one here. Alright, so this one is exactly the same box and the same attention detail, but this one is a pink, that one was white. So let's see how this one goes. So as I was guessing, these are aimed at ladies. On the website it doesn't say, but from the packaging, from the smell, it looks like they are aiming at ladies. But very pretty, very cute. Everything is well done and nice packaging and high end. You can feel it the second you get in your hand. You can feel the quality. Okay, so this one in the velvet black, and it sits like this, and wow, look at the bottle, gorgeous. Very heavy bottle, again like a gemstone effect on top. Very heavy cap, it's half a kilo. And the spray on this one, the trimming is all silver. The first one was all trimming was gold. Okay, so very good spray again. Top notch. Okay, so how is this one smelling? Let me just read you the ingredients, the notes, official notes. So this one, on top you have bergamot, peach blossoms, nutmeg and grapefruit. In the middle you got rose, pink pony and violet blossoms. In the base we have musk, benzoin, vetiver and amber. Wow, what a complex one. Okay, so here we go. First sniff for Orientica Arte Blessimo, and this is Romantic. Okay, so similar to the first, quite feminine, ladylike, not a young style, lady, quite mature, quite sophisticated smell. And this one is much more dominated by florals. I can smell the rose, I can smell the pony, I can smell some violet as well. But similar to the first one but the first one was much more powdery. This one is the powderiness is toned down, but still you can feel the powderiness. So in the beginning for this one, the citruses are much bigger. In the first one, the citrus was very minimalistic, but this one the citruses are huge. So I can feel this grapefruit. I can feel the bergamot grapefruit. So it's very citrusy, and I can smell the peach. It's like a peachy smell to it. Yes, very fruity, very floral. So this is combination of fruits and floral plus other things to lift everything up, like the citruses to give it a little bit of freshness, and also in the base you have again sandalwood. We have musk, vetiver, and amber. So you can tell that, and the benzoin giving that sweetness. So goodness me, again, what a smell. Again, exotic, as he says on it, very ladylike, very sophisticated, very not quite modern, quite on the classic side, but same time it's quite modern. It's like a combination of two. Okay, but again, 25 and up for the first impression, the age to be on the safe side, because it's quite mature and it's quite sophisticated. Okay, guys. But what a smell, what a beauty. Again, it smells very natural, it smells very good quality, high quality, very good perfumery in both of these, top notch. Okay, thank you very much guys for joining me. If you like what I do, you find it useful, informative, give me a thumbs up, subscribe for future videos, hit that bell button for future uploads, and share this video with others. This way you help me to expand my channel. If you know any of this, if you know any other Orientica that you think other people should know about, leave it in the comment. That would be very useful. Thank you very much for joining me again, and I'll see you later guys. Bye.